So one of my most memorable cases actually happened when I was at the U.S. Attorney's Office. And this was a case in the late 80s, early 90s, when a restaurant, and I won't use their name, a national restaurant chain, was faced with numerous lawsuits involving bad food, perhaps that they were selling food that was tainted with E. coli. And I had a case involving a doctor from the state of Washington who tried to extort $500,000 from this restaurant. And he called the restaurant, their hotline, and said that he had evidence that he had purchased food from them that was tainted, and if they didn't give him, meet his demands, he was going to take the story to the New York Times. That got the FBI involved, and the FBI brought the case to me. We handled the investigation, which led to an indictment, which ultimately led to a trial and his conviction. So it saved the company a lot of money and anguish. They didn't have any tainted food. They weren't selling tainted food. But this was a guy who had a history of trying to extort money from businesses and other people.